Mr. Haas.
Gilbert.
Yes, sir.
Matthew.
Yo.
Just became the official dealer of Riaction Coilovers. He has an Integra. I have a Allegra. But real no, he got Riaction Coilovers for his DC2. He wants to track his car. But before he does, he needs to install a great suspension system to make sure he can handle those corners.
Yes, sir.
So before he does that, he's gonna look inside this beautiful box and the Bounty. Oh, license plates frames, styrofoam peanuts, and a great coilover. Now, what's your plans with these coilovers?
Run it on my track car and see how these things do.
Look at that. First, I like the direction of the sticker. Notice they have the reinforced little washers here. Oh, CNC'd aluminum, and it's cold. What spring rate? It was his 8?
It's a 8K for the rear, 10K for the front. That was just a special request. I think the off the shelf comes with 6K in the rear and 10K in the front.
So is there a reason why you went with the 8K rear?
Just from past experiences in driving Hondas, 8K in the rear seems the way to go.
Nice, nice. So I'm just here to help this man. I'm not going to turn any wrenches. That man's going to turn a wrench, hopefully. So I like this already. It lets you know on the spring what it is instead of them telling you with a certificate and making you guess, just in case they send you the wrong setup. Someone was smart enough to label the spring. Does this have a dampering option as well?
Yes, it is 32-way adjustable.
Wow. So
yeah,
this is going to be quite the interesting project for you two. So notice on the box as well, they let you know Acura Integra DC2, the model number, the type of coilover, the item number, and the quality that has been checked on for this for a sport coilover kit. Would you recommend this kit before you put it on? How hard do you think it's going to be to put it on?
It's fairly simple. If you've ever done it before, it's pretty straightforward in and out.
Will you be driving this car at all on the street?
Yeah, not a lot, but I will.
So he can give you both insights of is it a great street coilover and if it's a great track coilover. I can't go by looks. By looks, I want to say yes, but I've been catfished a lot of times, and I don't want to be that guy to get catfished by a coilover company. So I'm gonna let Gilbert and Matthew do their thing with the coilover.